Well, it's a bit after 5 now. It took me a little bit too long to set up. I was hoping that you'd all get to hear a few miles down the road there's a Buddhist temple, and at 5 o'clock every day you can hear their glorious bell from here, you know. It's fantastic. Blame me. Okay, so, oh, this next bit, this is for you, Mum. Don't pan so quickly. Okay, is this slow enough for you? Yes, Virgil. Penelope, whoever that other one was. Thunderbirds are. Is that okay? Alright, let's get on to this. Have I got something to show you? Hence Exhibit A and Exhibit B. Alright, notes. Japanese temple bell, bronze, Buddhist. What a beauty! Beautiful bell. Okay, from my notes here. In 1327, the Zui Senji Temple was built by the noted priest Muso So Seki. Now, this Zui Senji, that's Z-U-I-S-E-N, Zui Senji Temple is roughly about 40 kilometers, I googled it, from Tokyo. And it's in the city of Kamakura, or outside the city of Kamakura, in the prefecture of Kanagawa. Okay, so this is where this bell comes from. And, let's see, I'm going to, if I can just put this somewhere, hold on a second. Panning too quickly again, I presume. But there. Now. Right. The Kanji tells us that it says Shinzan Kinen. Now, Shinzan means the ceremony whereby a new Buddhist priest comes to the temple. And Kinen is the memorial. So this is a memorial bell to commemorate that time when a new priest comes to this temple of Zui Senji. And that particular day was an auspicious day in July. Let's see, Showa Sanju Ninen Shichigatsu. So a good day in July of 1957. That's what that tells us. This is a magnificent piece, and so I'm definitely going to have to put a reasonable price on it. No cracks, nothing like that. I'm going to have to get a shot of this section here too. You know, that's beautiful. There's a little nick in here, but nothing to worry about. That's nothing to fuss about at all. I mean, something like that, you could even drill straight through that and that wouldn't even affect the sound, so not to worry. What a beauty. This is, oh, I want to strike it some more. Yeah, I'll get some more shots. Sun's gone. Alright, that's my fault. As you can see, I'm not striking it very hard. This particular striker has got quite a chamfer on it here, so this will be included. And usually they don't, so it takes a little bit to. That was a good strike. It takes a little bit just to get used to that. You don't want to hit it on the flat, you want to hit it with a bit of angle, and I'm just getting used to where this chamfer is actually. To enable you to get just that sound you're looking for. There's a dog a few kilometers over there and he just keeps barking every time I ring this. Take that! teach your owners for not training you? Okay, that's it. This is going up in price. Yeah, so you're just going to get used to this particular striker. Actually, what I would do is probably just shave it off a bit here and reduce that chamfer, just so you can sort of get it going every single time. This is a wow bow, definitely. I guess you could experiment with different weights and different materials, I guess. Maybe something slightly softer in the type of wood, similar to as they have in the beams. I mean, maybe the whole beam itself is hard, but the edge starts to a bit of a softer edge, or maybe a bit of cushioning, and that'll save your striking point too. So you'll see some bells, like this one over here for instance. This one comes from 1888, and that striking surface right there is completely worn down. So if you wanted to save your bell for another few hundred years, well, it would still be there, but you put a bit of cushioning, I would suggest, on the striking points, and you'd be good for that. And then you go, lights have come on over there. I had better get that shot of the bottom of it, as I said I would, and that'll have to be for another day, I guess. Yeah, 1888, that one, right there. And, let's see now, coming from, I'll get to that another day. Running out of time, it's going to be dark very, very soon. This is fantastic. I'm going to have to put a decent price on it, and hopefully it'll stay in my hands for as long as possible. So there you are. Alright, okay. Thank you to all that are being a part of it. Alright, so ABAREBUGYO, signing off.